Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about one of the most critical part of your business, cash flow and working capital management. As a CEO, as a owner of an organization, how many times you have delayed your decision because the cash flow is not clear? You need not answer me. You know the pain. It's a perennial problem for every leader. You are not able to take strong decisions for lack of fund or lack of cash flow. I always say profits with a discipline creates positive cash flow. People just monitor the payment collection, sales, billing. Is that enough? In my opinion, strong no. So what is that you need to monitor? Cash flow timings. When the payment is really coming. Is the receivables connected to the project delays? Is your lack of working capital delaying your progress? These things you need to continuously monitor. This is the system you need to use to improve your cash flow and better working capital system. Manage your inflow and outflow and control the important things to have a better cash flow, positive cash flow. Number one, understand what is your average collection cycle. Does that happen 15 days from your invoice date or does that happen from 75 days? Be very practical. Don't just believe in what mentioned in the invoice or in the purchase order. How much payment in lakhs or crore stuck beyond the accepted payment terms? Do you have that in your fingertips? Does your finance team know that? Have they transferred that information to sales? What is their commitment towards that? What is the cost involved towards that? If you can answer this question, you are in control of cash flow. Who is responsible for collection? Is it sales? Is it accounts or finance? Most of the organizations struggle to answer this, correct this phenomena. Then, outflow. My friends in banks, they should forgive me for this statement. At times, I believe the owners are working for banks. At times, I believe the owners are working for the suppliers because they take their payments on time, whether it is a EMI, whether it is the supply payment, it goes on time. Otherwise, the system will cripple. Control that. When are you paying to your supplier? Do they have any accountability in terms of the quality, in terms of the deliverables? Are you getting the right credit? Are you being pressurized to take stock? Are you being pressurized to increase your order value even though you don't require those materials? Put your foot down and measure your outflow. The third one is very, very important, which generally the CEOs doesn't look into it. The stock level. Is it at a very optimum? Is all your completed projects leaving the factory on time? Is the project execution happening on time? Is lack of competency increasing the project schedule? Control all these things. You will able to see the cash flow coming into control and ultimately becoming positive. I want you to focus on these things also. Set a project milestone review system. Plan cash outflow in advance. Every month, as you're planning for inflow, also understand how much outflow is expected this month. Set a target for your stock levels. These three things will improve your cash flow and make it positive cash flow and help your organization sustainably grow. Saravanan signing off.